Assalamu alaikum grade 4 students. In science we will study today chapter 4. For studying plants we are going to study what is a plant. A plant has a root, stem, leaves, and in stem leaves it has vascular bundles. Today we are going to study first type of plant, that are algae. Algae are the simplest plants. They are found in water. They do not have any true root, stem and leaves. Their whole body is called thallus. They produce by cell division and fragmentation. Second type of plants are mosses. They are having no root, stem and leaves. They do not have vascular bundles. They have just rhizoids that anchor them in their soil. That is why they can live near moist conditions, near water bodies. They produce by spores. You can see the fruiting bodies, the capsules. Okay, mosses are done. Now the third type is ferns. Ferns are the plants which have true leaves, root and stems. They have the leaf part which have many parts, and these leaves are doing all the photosynthesis as well, and this is again doing another work, that is it is producing spores. So it means their leaves underside is filled with spores. That is why they are also called fronds. So ferns are vascular plants that produce by spores. Now we are going to study gymnosperms. Gymnosperms are the plants that produce seed. They have vascular bundles. They can grow very taller, but their seeds are not enclosed in fruits. Their seeds are naked and are in cones. You can see different kinds of cones. So vascular bundles done. Now we are going to study angiosperms. Angiosperms are flowering plants. They can be monocots and dicots. Flowering plants and angiosperms are those plants whose seeds are enclosed in fruits and they produce flowers. At page number 30, you will see that it is told what is plant kingdom. All the plants are making plant kingdom. There are 380,000 different species and there are many types. Okay, algae. Algae are simplest plants. Their body has no roots, stems, leaves, flower or fruits. It is because they have chlorophyll and they can make food, that is why they are included in plants. The activity here is very interesting. You will get in pond mostly algae or mosses. Okay, in mosses the true leaf, stem and roots are again absent. Like algae, they are also found near water bodies and they do not have any transport system. They have rhizoids to fix them in soil. As already discussed, ferns are having true leaves, stem and roots. Okay, now we will study the conifers. Gymnosperms. Gymnosperms are true plants. They have vascular bundles. Then we have studied flowering plants, and flowering plants produce flowers. There you can study fungi. Fungi are special cases. They are not animals, they are not plants, they cannot make their food. They are mostly where anything is decaying. So they produce by spores. They are of many types. Mushroom is one of them, and you have to hold pencil because you're going to solve page number 35 exercise. You all will do it very easily because all these MCQs are very easy. The answer is of first MCQ. These plants do not have a vascular system to transfer water and food to all parts of body. So answer of this question is moss. 2 MCQ is, which of these is not a plant? Answer is B, fungi. MCQ 3 is, what do mosses have the mango trees do not have? Answer is spore. Fourth one is, which group of plants have black powder structure on the underside of their leaves? Answer is very easy, C, fern. 5 is, one way that mosses and ferns are alike is they both, answer, produce spores, B. Then next MCQ is, tree can grow taller because they are, answer is uh, A. Vascular. 7 part is, which of the following is an example of a non-vascular plant? Answer is mosses. A. Today you have to do page number 35 and 36. Hold your pencils, draw horizontal lines in this yellow table. You have to write the answer of question number 2 as well. There are 5 classes that we have studied today. The answer is written here. You have to pause this video so that you can write the answer clearly. And listen, students, you all are very good girls and boys, so you have to write this very neatly. First type is algae. Simple body without root, stem and leaves. Simple diffusion and osmosis gives them water, and they produce by fragmentation or cell division. Second type is mosses. Mosses have simple body without root, stem and leaves. Water and food is transported by simple diffusion. They reproduce by spores which mature in capsules. Third type is ferns. Ferns have root, stem and leaves. Food is transported by vascular bundles and they produce by spores. The fourth type is conifers or gymnosperms. They are tall plants. They are advanced and they are trees. They have well developed vascular system. They produce seeds which develop in cone like structure. That's why they are called conifers. The fifth type is angiosperms or flowering plants. They have well developed root, stem and leaves. They have flowers as well. They have vascular system. They produce seeds. And seeds are enclosed in fruits. That's why they are called angiosperms. Okay. Their name is telling their seeds are enclosed in fruits. Again, plants are of 5 types. We have studied them. Thanks for watching this video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.